How to unprivate your TikTok account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, click on Settings and Privacy. And here, click on Privacy from the Account section. In the Discoverability section, you will see the option of Private Account with a toggle next to it that's turned on. So in order for you to unprivate your TikTok account, click on that toggle. And a window will appear at the bottom that asks you, do you want to switch to public account? And it tells you what will happen when you do that. So click on switch. And once you do that, your account will be public and it will be unprivate. So that was it for this video. That's how you can make your TikTok account public and not private. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.